Hi, it's Jim from Discovery Toys, and we are continuing our countdown to the holiday cutoffs. Just to remind you, for Canada, the cutoff is December 9th. That is for both Christmas and Hanukkah. And here in the United States, it'll be the 12th of December for Hanukkah and the 13th for Christmas. All right, so get your holiday gift orders in. Today I'm going to feature Marbleworks Grand Prix. All right, this is our Marbleworks Marble Run. And by the way, if you didn't know, Marbleworks is the very first Marble Run product ever brought to market quite a few years ago by Discovery Toys. So we were the first. And what makes Marbleworks Grand Prix is unique is a couple things. First of all, our product is made of a high-impact polystyrene material. Extremely durable, probably the highest quality Marble Run product you're going to find in the marketplace. And customers tell us this thing lasts for many years. Great for all kinds of environments, right? Great for those daycares or schools as well, because a lot of kids can play with this. Invite your friends over, and it's going to last. What's also unique about Grand Prix, this set contains components that will allow you to actually build a racetrack with your marble set. So you actually will start with the starting gate, and you'll be able to split out into two different tracks, and you'll be able to bring those marbles back together at the very end, at the finish line. Let me show you how it works. This is the Grand Prix setup right here. As I mentioned, there is a starting gate, and you can start 6 different marbles at once. The set does come with 10 marbles, by the way. And just line them up here in your starting gate. And as I mentioned, you can split out your marble run into 2 tracks, right? So I use the split track here, and I split them out. And there's these other cool action ramps that will add some fun to your track. This is the U-turn ramp. This is called a maze ramp. We got a nice snake ramp here. This is a bumper ramp here. This is we call this our standard ramp. It's got a nice little swirl action at the end. This is my favorite. This is a jump ramp, right? So if you take the marble down here, it's going to jump. And woo! I didn't set these up correctly. You're going to have to experiment to see if you can line up this jump ramp just right so it lands in the landing rack. Well, it looks like I got to space it out a little bit farther. Let's see if that works. Oh, look at that works. All right, so I'm going to line up my marbles here at the starting gate, and they're going to split off and come back together at the end. Woo! And you see here's a finish gate, so all the marbles will come and end up at the finish gate here, and you'll actually get to see which ones line up first from 1 to 6, and each child has a different color marble, and it's fun to see and guess which one is going to finish first. So that's Marble Grand Prix. We also have a Marbleworks booster pack. All right, this is a set of additional components. These will add some cool spiraling action to your run. These components are not included in Grand Prix. They're only available in the booster pack. You put them together like you see here, and this then will become your Marbleworks Ultra Grand Prix set. By the way, we do sell these two together as well. Available from Discovery Toys now. Marbleworks Grand Prix. I will see you soon.